That is clean. Look how far the tires stick out. Right here, we got a couple boxes from Whatnot full of awesome diecast cars. I make these videos quite often using the Whatnot app, guys. It allows you to buy diecast from pretty much anywhere you go, as well as other collectibles if that's what you're into. If you want to give it a shot, my link in the description and pinned comment will get you $10 free towards your first purchase. Just be careful. It's addictive. Alright, this box here, I'm going to wait till the end because I'm actually the most excited about what's in here. Let's just say Drift Anime. The links for both of the sellers will be in the description below if you want to check them out. If you want to check them out, pick up some cars, tell them I sent you. I'm pretty sure this comes from the seller Day 36. I picked up a few things from him already. I'm nearly positive, so. Got a bunch of cars in here. Let's just toss them to the side, get this box out of the way. I don't know what that is, but I guess we will start with it. Oh, that's right. Okay. Yeah. He said he was going to send me some wheels. It looks like that's what's in there, so I'll do that at the end. All right, first up, the 57 Chevy in black with some gold. Well, it's kind of like flames, right? Would those be considered flames? Yeah, I think so. It's got a yellow window and a white interior, as well as some gold wheels. That's pretty cool. That's not bad at all. I don't think I've ever seen this one before. Whoa. Wow, that is bright. That is very, very bright. Pontiac Firebird 1969. And it's a red line series, so it has the red outlines on the tires. Yo, that is like super bright. Actually might be the brightest pinkish color card I've ever seen. I'm going to give this to Lisa. I think she's really going to like this. It's metallic pink. Wow. That's awesome. That would be, yeah, that would stand out if you really painted your car that color. All right, next up, is this a Barracuda? Yes, it is. Mopar Madness, number 1 of 5, 1970 Plymouth Barracuda. Very cool. And then we got a little F40 here. Yeah, I mean, it came up on the screen. It was like $1 or something. So, why not? All right, next up. Oh, another red line. Oh, man, I don't know what is up with his stickers. I don't know why his, out of everybody's stickers, stick like they do. Put them on the bottom of the car, bro. That's cool. What is this? Oh, it's an 8 crate. Yeah, the 8 crate's always cool. I actually have the Super Treasure Hunt 8 crate. This is a badass looking car, man. Actually is, really. It's like a hearse, right? It's pretty much like a hearse. Or something like that. It's got the engine in the back, too. That's cool. And, of course, Porsche 911 GT3. I got this customized because I have a few of these cars. I try to collect as many as I can because it's always a cool one to do. So whenever I see them, just like a couple of different other cars, I always grab them. All right, last little pile here. This is how he hooked me. I joined the stream and he goes, "Yo, Mike, look." Puts this on the screen. I was just stopping to say what's up. But anyone that uses Whatnot will know you should never just open the app just for fun. That's a horrible idea. So if you're gonna use it, guys, I see a lot of you saying you're addicted to it. You're welcome, but also I'm sorry. But yeah, take my advice. Do not open the app unless you plan on buying cars, because all it takes is to see one car on screen like this one, and the next thing you know, yeah, this one's sick, dude. Blue Sailing S7 with white stripes. I don't know if I love the white. I wish it was just 2 solid stripes. It's kind of all over the place, but that's a really cool car. Sailing's always cool. And of course a P1. I definitely have this. This came out sometime, I think, last year, right? Q case. So I think 2023 Q case. 2024 Q case. Yep. Very cool. Alright, let's see what he's got in here for us. It seems like I think he just tossed this in. Cool. Metal base. Nice. I don't think I bought this, right? Did you just throw this in for me? And then some wheels, too. Oh, cool. Heck yeah, bro. That's sick. Thank you for tossing these in. I need tires now, though. I gotta get some tires. Are these 3D printed? Probably, right? Very cool. Alright, cool. Thanks for sending it in, bro. That's pretty cool. You didn't have to do that, man. Alright. This comes from Closetslanger. He's one of the more popular sellers on there. And I'm in a group chat with him, so I know him and a couple of the sellers more than others. But I am super stoked for what's in here. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. When I saw that they came out with this, I had to have it instantly. So we got it. Let's rip it open. Look at that thing, dude. Holy crap. Let's rip it open. Wow. That is clean. Look how far the tires stick out. Yo. Okay. Okay. Calm down there. Calm down there. You're flexing on us here. And we open the hood, and of course inside we got the engine, the strut tower brace. Bro. Oh my god. And it's got a lime green roll cage. Yeah, the Kaido House details are next level. I get them every so often. I think I have maybe like 10 of them now. They do not ever disappoint me. Not once have I been like, meh, this is meh. Nope, they always go above and beyond. Super cool, dude. And they're only 20 bucks. I mean, I know that's a lot compared to a Hot Wheel, but some diecast brands can be up to 100. So, for 20 bucks, it ain't bad. Trust me. Once you buy one, you understand. I used to not understand. I used to be like, oh, I'm never spend $20 on a car. And then I did it, and it was just like, yeah, this is worth $20 for sure. I mean, Hot Wheels are great. Premiums are great. But for 20 bucks, you're getting way more quality. That's badass. Holy crap. This might be my favorite one. Holy. For sure. Right to the top. So sick. If you're interested in whatnot, give it a shot. You're going to love it. Just be careful. I'm not kidding you. Be careful. I got to tell you that. Got to be responsible with it. But you can find a lot of cool stuff on there. You're not going to find a Kaido House in a store unless you go to the diecast specialty shops or you're on eBay. But you can do this from your couch and you get a lot of fair deals on there. That is some heat. That's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Later.